Hey guys, I just want to make a follow-up review on the solar charger. I just have it hanging on my balcony just like this. It's pretty nice. I can recommend doing this. I can recommend putting a little band here so you can hang it on things. Just made a little simple knot on the back. And once you have it hanging, you can pretty much hang it anywhere there's a hook. And I have a little box here for protection, for like a power bank. So usually have a power bank. One negative side of this is that the pouch, the opening is facing downwards. So I wish it was facing upwards so you could put stuff in the pouch and keep it there. I know you could probably do like this, like lift it up, but it's still a hassle. There's a cardboard, what do you call it, a Velcro strap inside, but it's not too big. It's small, so things can still fall out when you close it. So that's a little negative side on this, but good thing it has 3 ports and 3 amps, 1 amp per port. So it's a little cheaper one anyway, but it's working fine. I mean, it charged my GoPro up pretty fast. It charged my power bank up to about, I don't know, it's been really sunny this morning for like 2-3 hours. Charged my GoPro up from 30 to 100, and it charged my power bank more than like 50%. But I've been having it on a little longer, I think, at least 3 hours, something like that. But direct sunlight, and it's working pretty fine. I do like it. I can recommend buying something like this because it's not just for emergencies. If you have like lots of sun, you have a balcony, you can charge your devices pretty easily. You can always have a power bank charged like this. You can charge your household USB devices, phones and all that. So it's a good thing to have. You'll save some energy on that. I think charging phones and devices when you have this many devices is quite costly in the end. So I'd recommend that. I also have a bunch of solar powered lights out here. So if you have a balcony, that's also a good tip. Of course, we don't have a house. We're not, we don't have big areas to put up big solar panels. I wish we did. But for you guys who are living in apartments, student life and all that, this can be a really good choice to have, to take it with you, charge anywhere where there's sun. We live in Sweden, so don't have a lot of sun all the time, but for now, I mean, this part of the year where the spring and all this, we have quite a bit of sun, and I'm going to use this to the max. I might even get another one to keep everything topped off and nice, have it hanging like this. Obviously you don't want to have it on the rain, probably you don't want a lot of water coming onto that, so on clear days keep it outside. When it's raining, just put it in. You can package it up and make it portable. Just take it with you. So yeah, I like it. It's good. Okay, I'd give this a, since it only has 3 ports and 3 amps, for that price, for about $30-40, I'll give it a 8 out of 10. But if it had cost more, like, I don't know, $50-60, I'd at least expected 4 ports, maybe a better pouch, even 1 more panel maybe, and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not so high on all this stuff, but I really like this anyway. Go ahead, try it, guys. If you like it, you probably get something similar in the States or anywhere. And yeah, take care. See you.